So children, in the video part 1, I explained you the uses of article a, article and article the. Now in this video, we will do one exercise A, which is on page number 71. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. See, number 1, first sentence is, my mother baked dash cake on my birthday. My mother cake, see, article. What article will be used here? No vowel is here. So, a cake. My mother baked a cake on my birthday. Number 2, Einstein was dash famous mathematician. Einstein was a famous mathematician. Clear? Number 3, we heard dash owl howling in the night. We heard an owl howling in the night. What you will write here? Because vowel O is there, so we will write we heard an owl howling, hooting in the night. Number 4, dash actor was rehearsing dash play. Now see, particular actors, and this is plural, actors more than one, so nothing, it's simple that the article the will be used. The actors were rehearsing a play. Number 5, there is dash time to play and dash time to work. So what you'll write? There is a time, article a time to play and a time to work. Alag time. Number 6, I heard dash story, a story about an unicorn. This will be a unicorn. About, I heard a story about a unicorn. Why? This I've told you now. Sound of, although U, article U is here, but the sound is Y-O-U, U. So, a article will be used. So, I heard a story about a unicorn and an elephant. Here it is, sound is clear, elephant, E. Number 7, all dash children, particular children, all the children wanted to go on a picnic. Clear? Number 8, we waited for dash hour. Now see, H is there, but I am using and. Why? Because H is silent. Just now I told you. So we waited for an hour for the school bus, particular school bus. So we have used school bus is a particular bus is referred. The refers to a particular school bus. So the will be used. Turn the page. Sentence number 9. I have dash uncle. Uncle. U sound is here. Uncle. So I have an uncle who lives on a boat. Number 10, the subject, refer a particular subject. So the subject I like most is history. Alright, you will do this exercise in the book and I will send you the image. So see children, there are a few more uses of the. The article the is used in many other ways. See, what is the other ways? It is used before a noun that describes a whole class of persons, places or things. Means whole class of persons, places or things. The tiger is a fierce animal. Among so many animals, the tiger, particular tiger, the tiger is a fierce animal. Similarly, the rich should look after the poor. Here, the tiger refers to all tigers, and the rich refers to all rich persons, and the poor refers to all those who are poor. Clear? Note that we do not say the tigers are fierce animals. We never say. We say tigers are fierce animals. We don't use the here because the tigers are fierce animals. Similarly, we say the peacock has a beautiful tail. Now, peacocks have beautiful tail. Will not say the peacocks have beautiful tails. Take. The snake is a reptile, and here snakes means all snakes are reptile. So the is not used because the is used for particular, definite, it is definite article. Then the is used before the names of some well known. Remember that. The is used before the names of some well known statues, buildings, places, musical instruments, books, etc. Now the example is given. The Statue of Liberty is in New York. Right? The is used. We went to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. एक ताज महल है, particular ताज महल, वो एक ही है. Then we went to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. Clear. Karna plays the violin. Here it is said na, use the is used with musical instruments also. So Karna plays the violin. So many musical instruments are there, but she plays the violin. The ship sailed across the Atlantic Ocean. The ship sailed across Atlantic Ocean, across the Atlantic. Definite it is, so the is used. Have you read the Bible or the Quran? The Bible or the Quran. See, books. Before the books, the is used. Important books. The earth is a planet. The earth is a planet. Earth is immortal. The, so it is used. The Himalayas are, these are famous places, no? Important buildings, places. So the Himalayas are to the north of India. So the Himalayas are, Himalayas से पहले भी the लगेगा because we always use the earth, the Himalaya, the sun, and is in our Himalayas are to the north of India. All right. Now exercise B, fill in the blanks with suitable articles. There are so many. I will send you the image and you will do it in the book. Okay. Bye bye.